Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to forward emails to a Microsoft Teams channel using Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials to access your Power Automate dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side panel of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Click on the one labeled Templates. This section contains pre-built automation workflows that you can customize for your specific needs, which saves you time from building everything from scratch. Now, in the search bar at the top, type forward emails in a folder to a channel and hit enter. This will filter the templates to show you the exact automation workflow designed for forwarding emails directly into Microsoft Teams. Once the search results appear, locate the template and click on it to open the details page. On the template details page, you'll see a button that says Continue. Click on it to proceed with setting up this automation. This action will take you into the workflow editor where you can customize how the automation behaves. Once you're in the editor, look for the option that says Edit in Advanced Mode and click on it. Switching to Advanced Mode gives you access to more detailed settings and parameters, allowing you to fine-tune exactly how your emails get forwarded and under what conditions. Next, you'll want to configure the trigger, which determines when this automation runs. Click on the trigger step in your workflow. After opening it, look for an option called Advanced Parameters and click on it. You'll see several checkboxes appear. Go ahead and click all of them to enable every available parameter. This ensures you have maximum control over which emails get forwarded. Now, in the To field, enter a part of a name or email address. Power Automate will use this to search and find the specific people whose emails you want to monitor. This filtering helps narrow down which incoming emails will trigger the forwarding action. Similarly, in the CC field, enter another part of a name or email address to identify people who might be copied on emails you want forwarded. This adds another layer of filtering to ensure only relevant emails are sent to your Teams channel. Do the same thing in the From field by entering a part of a name or email address. This specifies which sender's emails should be forwarded, so you're only capturing messages from the sources that matter to your team. Next, you'll see an option labeled Include Attachments. Here you can set it to either no or yes, depending on whether you want any email attachments to be forwarded along with the message content. Choose the option that best fits your team's needs. Now click on the action step below the trigger. This is where you configure what happens after an email is detected. In the Post As field, you can set it to Flow Bot. This means the forwarded email will appear in Teams as coming from an automated bot rather than a specific user. Then in the Post In field, make sure it's set to channel so the email gets posted directly into a Teams channel rather than a private chat. Next, in the Team field, input your team ID. This identifies which Microsoft Teams workspace should receive the forwarded emails. You can usually find your team ID in the team settings or by checking the URL when you're viewing your team. Finally, in the Channel field, input your channel ID to specify exactly which channel within that team should receive the emails. Again, this ID can typically be found in your channel settings or URL. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automation that forwards emails to a Microsoft Teams channel using Power Automate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.